Hello, everyone. I hope you have a great week and weekend is ahead. So for tomorrow, I have means like selected couple of formulas in Excel, which are very important and very powerful when you are dealing with data, some messy kind of data where you have to distinguish that, okay, what is the first name, what is the last name, how will you do that? And then the combo chart. This is very important. There you can give the couple of X's as well. I will explain you everything in the coming video, but please guys uh, keep supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe with especially the university students or college going guys or who are new in IT. So it is definitely going to help them. So let's say we are talking about this text to column thing first. Okay. I hope my screen is up and everybody can see that. Okay, first we will discuss about couple of formulas in Excel. Those are left and right, and see how they work in Excel, and then why we have to go for the text to column. Means you can split your data within given particular cell. How can you do that? This particular formula is very important, and you have to apply it everywhere. Means like wherever you go in college and university in doing projects, or because internet will not give you very clean and clean kind of data. So sometimes it will give you some messy kind of data, and what exactly you have to do, I will show you. So first, let's start with the left function. So equal to left and equal to right, these two are very important function in Excel, but sometimes you might not get the right answer from them. Equal to left, and let's say I want to collect the top three letters there, like 171. I will say 3 because I want the marks from there. So I will do open bracket A1, comma 3 because I want the left 3 function. So 171 has come. That is great because that is the first cell. Now drag this formula to the end and see. You are getting underscore as well, 81 underscores, because it is counting the left 3 characters and giving it to you. So this is the left formula. Let's say I want to do the right as well. Sometimes I need this city, RIGST. Just open bracket, go to this particular cell, select it, and say comma, and then count the words. KANPUR, total 6 letters are there. I will say 6, bracket close, and enter. See, the Kanpur is coming. So I'm happy that, okay, my data is coming there. Now drag it. See what will happen. Where there it is Dharampur, DHARAMPUR, it is giving me only Rampur. Why? Because it is counting the 6 characters from the right. So left and right, these two are very important functions, but they will not work here because your data is in bit messy condition. You can see the underscore is there, slash is there. Dharampur is the city, but it is giving you Rampur only. So left and right are important function, but will not work here. So how can we do that? Means like what exactly we will do with this kind of situation where the 171 may be address, Saurabh Shukla is the name, Kanpur is the city, and I want everything in a distinguished column. So what you will do, just select this particular cell, this particular column, and go to data. And there is an option called text to column. This is very powerful and very important function. Just click on that and say next. Delimit and fix characters. We don't want to fix anything. Fix our line and column with the spaces between each field. When you have spaces, then you can use that. We do not have, we have commas, tabs. That's why I'm going to use this. Say next. Now, first I want this particular 171 to be separated because this 171 is my number. So what I will do, I will say go to the other and I will delete the sign and I say underscore because my all the numbers are separated by underscore here. So you have to identify whether it is a space, comma, semicolon, or other. So I found that underscore is my right function, which you have to use everywhere. Say next and then say finish. So your all the numbers are separated now. Now again, this data still is messy data. See this. What I want this name is also to be separate. So go again text to column, say next, and this time I will not select, I will select comma because I want the first name to be separated and last name to be separated. So I say next and finish. See, my first name have been separated from the last name because it was separated by a comma. So I have done that. Again, I'm saying doing this so that you people will learn this particular formula, because this is a very powerful function, text to column. Again, go to next. Now again, you can see the slash is there. So I will not say comma, I will say other. And instead of underscore, this time I have a slash. So I will do the slash and say next and say finish. So see, my everything is separated here. Now my city is coming as Dharampur, entire name is coming, all the numbers are coming. What I will do, I will control X and I will paste it here. I will give as address, first name, second name, and city. So see, my data is separated and it is looking in a great format now. What I will do, I will do some decoration of that. Okay. Now, still, you can see that, okay, there's Dharampur, Jaipur, Kanpur, someone is capital, someone is small, and first name is also in small. How to do that? So there is one formula for that, say equal to upper. Upper is for the uppercase. Select this particular column, cell, and say enter. So my entire name will come in the uppercase. Okay, Noni, Virat, Sachin, whatever it is. And then simply equal to upper, open bracket, then I will go to the second name, bracket close, enter. So it will convert it to the upper class. You can say first name and second name, control X, you can paste it here and make them alt ESV. Always remember that. Control C and alt ESV, so that my formula will not be pasted there. Now you can delete these two and you can insert these two. Cut, right click, insert cut cells. So your data has become beautiful now. You have everything. And this one, this is done. So your address, first name, second name, city also you can do the uppercase. Simple. So I told you the formula already, you can do that. So this is done. So you remember like what kind of data we had earlier like this, 74 underscore Saurabh, Shukla / Kanpur. So this kind of data which was there, I have used text to column and I have converted that to this particular kind of format. Or just select this, go to home and say format, column width, auto width, column width. So it will fit that. And say in between. See, now it is looking good. Okay. I hope this is easy for you guys. And one more function in the same thing, just copy this and paste it here. Alt ESV. Let's say I did the only values here. Okay, so my data is copied from here and I pasted it here, but I want my data into the similar format. So what I will do, I will select this particular range and I will go here as a format painter and apply the format painter here. See, and then maybe you have to adjust the width, auto fit column width. Simple. So your data is again in the same format. So here what all we have learned: left, right, text to column, then this format painter. So 4 things we have learned into that. Okay, and lower uppercase. So you can do that. That is very simple. So text to column, always remember how to split the data within the text, within the column. If it is given like this, left, right. If you have like same number of letters everywhere, you can do the left and right. But let's say I told you like Dharampur will give you Rampur. If you apply 6, so that data will not be correct. So you have to use the text to column. This thing is done. Now we will go for the second thing. That is combo chart, which is also very important, because let's say we have some names here, age and income, something like this. We have data with us. So we have already seen, like we have seen one kind of chart where you can see that, okay, these bars are there, okay, for this particular thing. There we have seen the, double, how can I say, 2-layer chart, basically, like city, then name, and then what is the sales, See my previous videos, you will get everything. Now, here we want to do the combo chart. Combo chart is very important. Why? Because it is very simple. First of all, you have to go insert and say recommended chart and go to the all charts here. Always remember this. In the end, there is a combo chart. Okay. And just select this. See what will happen. Here, only one thing is missing. Okay, A, B, C, D, I, F, G, H, whatever the names are there, then the age is there, 23, 25. So it is showing like 23 and 25, these values. But see this is the income. So income is also coming in the same axis, which I do not want. So what I will do, change chart type. I will come here in the combo chart, age and income. These are the two different things. So what we will do, we will make one as a secondary axis. Let's say I will make the income as a secondary axis and hit OK. Let's see what will happen. So now we have a two axes. One axis is showing the age and the second axis is showing the income. I hope this is the very beautiful chart when you show it to someone. And you have to give the data labels if you want. If you give data labels, see this data doesn't come like this. It will look a bit clumsy. Yeah, but if you want to show it to the customer, you can show that, okay, which particular person, what is the age and what is the corresponding income to it. Okay. Then let's say trend line. Add a trend line based on the age. No problem. I don't want that. Okay, then the data table also, if you want, don't want to showcase, you just want to showcase this particular chart, you can add the data table. So in mid and bottom, data table will come like this, age, income, everything will come there. But I don't want to make it clumsy, so I will leave that. And I say access titles. Okay, now access titles came here. Now here, I will say, this is what? This is the name. Then this is the, let's say delete. This is the age. And this is the income. So you have combo charts for this. This is the, oh, sorry, sometimes income, okay? And chart title. Age / income analysis of customers. Let's say you want to analyze that which customer will buy my product or which customer will not buy my product. Okay, you can do this kind of analysis here. Okay, so back here. So see, I want to sell something to someone. I want to see his age and his income. 915 I have written, and even 148 is there. So if let's say my product is like 500 rupees, to whom I can sell it? Whom should I sell it? So what I will do, I will go here and data filter, and I will say number filter, or I will say largest to smallest. Okay. So see here. Okay, it is taking his age as well, this name as well. That's why the filtering is not happening properly. But from here, you can easily see that people who are above the 600 level income, you can easily offer them that, okay, whatever is your age, because my product is 500 rupees. So if your income is 600 and above, you can purchase that. 770, this person, Mr. E, can purchase it. But this person, 143 income, he will not purchase that. So this is your cutoff line. And you can see that, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people can purchase my item. Simple. I hope this has given you some understanding that, okay, how to, analyze your data and see your data. And you want to make it a bit beautiful, you can do that like this, like this, like this. There are so many options, man. You can just apply anything. And actually, I like that option, black one. so that it will show it in a very good way. So this chart will help you in that. But okay, who are the persons who are above the 600 line? And we can easily offer them. 975 is of I. And you put your cursor here, it will show you I, M, O, L, and E. These 5 persons we can offer. Why? Because it has income greater than 600 or more. So easily they can purchase my product. So this kind of data, this kind of combo chart will help you to analyze the dual axis graph as per the requirement. I hope you like my video, and if yes, please like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you very much. All the best. Keep learning. That is the Mool Mantra. Thank you very much.